What is up, guys? Keith here with the 94 Project Trans Am. I just finished restoring my front end of my TA. Got all my parts back in that I needed to do. Car's been on jack stands for over a year and a half. And I just want to send you guys the photos of the front end restoration that's finally complete. All my suspension is BMR, of course. Fully adjustable. Everything's brand new. BMR, sway bar. Brand new power steering rack. Brake lines. Also stainless steel brake lines in the front. Just wanted to send you guys a couple pictures here of the completion of the front end. All brand new. Painted the frame rails, sanded down, right down the bare metal, and redid the frame rails, uppers and lowers. The engine bays, sanded and complete. Took the headlight assemblies out, sanded all that metal down and painted it nice. Midwest Chassis makes tubular bumper braces for the front and rear bumpers of these cars, and they bolt into here where the stock ones were, that were like, I don't know, 40 pounds heavier probably than the Midwest Chassis tubular front bumper braces are. And when I get those in, I will upload that video. It eliminates all this heavy stuff that goes into here. It's just basically a tube comes around, and it's got the fog light brackets that go with it as well. But yeah, I just want to upload a video. It's been a while. I've been restoring this front end of my TA, and it's finally complete. Got the front tires back on her. She's 3 inches lower in the front end than stock, than the factory height. 3 inches.